Lamborghini Revuelto, the moment raging bulls learned electricity, without losing their soul. This isn't just a new Lamborghini. This is the line in the sand between the old world of screaming V12s and the future of hypertech warfare. And somehow, the Revuelto stands in both worlds at once. At first glance, it looks like it arrived from another decade. Sharp edges, Y-shaped lighting, and aero surfaces that feel more fighter jet than supercar. Every panel exists for a reason, channeling air, creating downforce, screaming intent. This isn't designed for beauty. It's designed for domination. Then comes the shocker. A naturally aspirated V12 still lives behind the cockpit. No turbochargers. No filters on the madness. It revs hard, fast, and loud, the kind of sound modern cars are slowly forgetting. But now, it's backed by 3 electric motors. 1 on the gearbox. 2 on the front axle. Together, they turn this monster into an all-wheel drive missile with instant response. The numbers are violent. Over 1,000 horsepower. 0 to 60 in under 2.5 seconds. But stats don't explain how it feels. The electric torque fills every gap, every hesitation, every breath between gear changes. Power delivery is immediate, relentless, almost unreal, like the car predicts your intent before your foot even moves. The chassis is all new. Carbon fiber monocoque. Lower weight. Higher rigidity. The Revuelto doesn't feel like a big V12 supercar anymore, it feels sharp, agile, alive. Rear wheel steering tightens corners. Torque vectoring pulls the nose exactly where you want it. This is Lamborghini learning precision without losing chaos. And the transmission? A brutal new dual clutch that shifts like it's under orders to show no mercy. Upshifts crack. Downshifts snap. Every gear change feels like a command being executed. Tuning potential? That's where things get dangerous. Hybrid systems, battery mapping, power delivery tweaks, this platform is a playground for the next generation of performance madness. The Revuelto isn't just fast now. This car answers a question nobody wanted to ask: can electrification coexist with emotion? The Revuelto doesn't just answer it. It shouts it at 9,000 revolutions per minute. And if this is Lamborghini's first step into the future, what kind of monster comes next?